What's up everybody, welcome to SS Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys about writing banking application. In this application, we will use statements, if statement, else if statement, and else statement. And also we will see our arithmetic or mathematic operations or comprehensions. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I will need scanner class. We talked about this scanner class. We said if you want to get input from your user, you will need to write scanner class. Let's write our scanner class. How we can write? First of all, with the capital, I will say scanner and S and C equal new scanner. Okay, after writing this, let me remove this. After writing this, you can see this scanner names is kind of like a red line, and that means you need to import it. Let's click Ctrl and space. You can see here I saw this importing. If you click enter, you will see this import java.util.scanner. We've talked about what is import, well, and why you should use import in the Java, and you can see this is the importing. And I import my scanner class. I need to write between these parentheses system.in. Okay guys, that is so basic. I think I just wrote here scanner S and C equal new scanner, and it is between these parentheses I just wrote system.in. And by the way, let me talk to you about this S and C, and let's think it kind of like of remember thing. I will remove this. I can write here Apple. You can see nothing changed. It is optional. You can write here whatever you want. It's up to you guys. But I will just write S and C, and this is a kind of abbreviation for this scanner. Okay, I just wrote here S and C. Let's come here and let's try to find out how many operations we have. I will say system.println, and I will write here welcome to the banking application. Okay, and I will write my operations here. I will say click 1 for exiting from system. Okay, and let's write here SOUT and our operation. Okay guys, that's it. Click 1 for exiting system, SOUT, and I will say click 2 for money transfer. Okay, let's write operation 3. I will say click 2, actually it is 3, click 3 to get money. Okay guys, that's it. That is my operations. Okay guys, I wrote my operations. I said welcome to the banking application. Our operations is click 1 for exiting from system, click 2 for money transfer, and click 3 to get money. Okay, I need to create here operations variable, because here this is my operations. Okay, when I click run, I should see all of my operations correctly, like this. Welcome to the banking application, our operations 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, but I don't want to, let's just write here column. It's just for designing, it is nothing. But I don't want to see my program finished writing here. I want to get operation from my user. What I need to do, I need to write in integer operation equal, and how we can get this operation from our user, we can do this using scanner class that I imported, that I wrote here. I will say scanner dot next integer. Okay, this scanner dot next integer is the scanner method that you can use to get numbers from your user. For example, if my user enters here 1, that means my user wants to exit from system. If user enters here 2, that means my user wants to operate this operation 2, sorry guys. And that stands for money transferring. Okay, I will come here and I will say if, and my parentheses, this operation equal 1, that means my user wants to exit. I will just say is system.println and exiting from system. Okay, let me run it. Let me show you. You can see welcome to the banking application. Click 1, 2, and 3 to get money or etc. I will just click 1 and I will click enter. You can see exiting from system. I enter it here, my first if statement. Let me show you another. For example, if user enters 2 here, in this situation, I will say else if, and my parentheses, operation equal to, okay, I set operation equal to, and I need to say here for money transfer. Okay, I will not write operation in this lecture. I want to write this operation in the next lecture, but in this lecture, I just want to show you guys about these statements and scanner class. I will just say here SOUT, and let's say you choose money transferring. Let's write you can transfer money. And I need to remove this from here like this. Okay, you choose money transferring, you can transfer money. I want to write one more else if, and I will say if operation equal 3, okay, and that means that is that 3 stands for getting money. I will say SOUT and you can get money, and let's write just like this. Okay. So guys, let me explain this code to you from the scratch. Let me get over concept one more time. I created here operation variable and I said integer operation equal scanner.next integer. What this next integer method does, this next integer method will require my user to enter number. When user enter number, I will do my test here. For example, if user enter 1, I will say exiting from system. If user enter 2, I will say you choose money transferring, you can transfer money. And if my user choose this 3, I will say you can get money. Okay, and let me show you this. By the way, guys, my banking application will be like the real world application, will not be like this, but for just this lesson I wrote so simple so you can understand this. In the next lecture I will remove this system of print lines. I mean, I will remove these printings and I will show you really what we will do. But for now you just need to understand this. Let me run this code. Welcome to the banking application. This is our operations. I will just click 2 and I will click enter. You can see you choose money transferring, you can transfer money. I will write 3 here, you can get money. But however, if I click 5, let me see what will happen. Nothing happens here because 5 isn't inside my operations. I want to write one else if for this invalid operations. I will say else and curly brackets. I will just write a system of print line and invalid operation. Okay, let me run it again. If you write here 1, you will see this. If you write 2, you will see this. But however, if you entered here like this, you will see invalid operation because 768 isn't one of these operations. Let's run again. I will just click 5. You can see invalid operation, and that else block stands for invalid operations. So guys, I think we're done here. Let's finish our lesson here, and in the next lecture we will continue our banking application.